Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing VISM, MULN, NRSN, GRST, GMVD, MDMP, SEGI, and AXIM. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button and hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. These are day and swing trade, short-term momentum penny stock alerts. These trading and investing ideas to help you maximize your gains. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area coded number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, especially as we release all of our profiles at the opening bell for our subscribers. You can also click the red download ebook to get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Really like the price action on today in penny stocks across the board, OTC and NASDAQ, but particularly NASDAQ. I really like what's happening in NASDAQ. We're getting a lot of follow through. I think OTC, VISM, and then MULN. I think these are the spark that we needed. And I'm going to tell you why. First up, VISM, only just a $7 million market cap, biggest runner of the day, up 151%. What I like about this one, it opened at 0.0021. That was the low of the day. It opened at the low and it never looked back. These are the types of plays that we love. Open and then just take off from there. Closed at 0.0048, up 151% on the day. The day high was 0.0051, so basically closed right at the highs. And this is a cyber play. Cyber oil and gas plays are hot right now with what's going on in the Ukraine. They put out a press release today that they had entered in a technology license agreement with the Meter Corporation. The license and patent technology known as SyGraph is a tool for cyber warfare analytics, visualization, and knowledge management. SyGraph provides advanced analytics for cybersecurity situational awareness that is scalable, flexible, and comprehensive. And we've talked about VISM on InsiderFinancial.com. If you go into the magnifying glass and type in any symbol, you can check out what we've said about this one. This one has been a past runner for our subscribers. So this one here, you can see this one can dip into the double zeros and then run all the way to 2 cents like it did in September. So this run could really be just getting started in VISM, and we need these triple digit runners. This is what gets people excited about playing penny stocks again. As you know, you've been following me on our channels. There has not been the follow through. We've not gotten the triple digit runners on a consistent basis. So we're hoping that March, we put January and February behind us, focus on March, and let's have a big March and April. So we're pretty excited about what's going on right now across the board after today's price action. Next up is MULN, and this one has just been incredible today. 631 million shares traded today. This is over 746,000 trades. Really, really impressive. This one has just gotten beaten down. It was as high as 1590, was at 52 cents last week, and then just really took off today. Got this rounding bottom today here, and then you got the volume picking up as more eyes started to pay attention to MULN. And even today, if you didn't get in last week, it opened at $1, dipped just slightly to 95 cents, and then took off like a rocket to $1.95. So there was 100% gains to be had in MULN today. And what happened is that they announced their progress on their solid-state polymer battery pack development. Data collected from solid-state cell testing shows impressive results, including a range of 600 plus miles on a full charge and over 300 miles of range delivered in 18 minutes with DC fast charging. Solid-state polymer batteries are slated for the second generation MULN 5 EV crossovers. So really, EV plays are hot right now. MULN has been announcing a string of key partnerships. Tesla had a great day. Rivn had a good day. NEO was up. So just across the board excitement in the EV space. Futures overnight were down on the Russia-Ukraine conflict, and investors came in and bought the dips. So really like what the price action is going on. And I know a lot of people get caught up in headlines. Don't follow the headlines, follow the price action, and the price action tells you that that dips are to be bought, and these markets want to go higher. And for those of you that are wondering, furthermore, how could you have found about MULN before all this? Well, on February 7th, they announced they had received $40 million in financing commitments. With just a $53 million market cap, smart money was coming in. And then, on Twitter, we follow Percy Holton Jr. He's at empowered_SUCC. He was talking about this last week on Thursday, and he said, MULN, very interesting. MULN had put out this tweet. Entrepreneur names MULN Automotive best penny stock under $1 to watch. Reasons for putting MULN are on your radar. EV cargo vans roll out in Q2. Strategic partnerships. 120 patents filed in 24 countries for MULN 5 EV crossovers. So again, we follow a lot of people, we look at a lot of ideas, and we share them with our subscribers. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com to get these plays, get in before the crowd. And that's really how you make big money in penny stocks. It's about getting in early, being patient. In this case, it's just waiting a couple days, and you got a triple-digit runner. So congrats to those that got MULN. Next up is another NASDAQ biotech runner, NRSN. Opened at $1.76 today, which was the low of the day, and then ran right to at the high of the day, 264, closed at 260. This is just a 5.99 million shares in the float. We had 20 million shares traded. So basically, 4 times the size of the float, or 3 to 4 times the size of the float. So you had the algorithms coming in here, you had the shorts scrambling to cover, and we really like the price action in NRSN. And this is a biotech play, and tomorrow we found quite an interesting biotech play that's just bouncing off trendline support. We think this one's going to squeeze the shorts, so make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. We'll be releasing the report just before the opening bell so that you can do your due diligence and read our full report tomorrow just before the bell on this NASDAQ biotech penny stock. Next up is GRST, 000, ran from 0.0007 to 0.0012, closed at 0.0011, up 50% on the day. This one has just a $2.5 million market cap. Posted strong Q4 results. EBITDA of about $163,000 just in the Q4 with a $2.5 million market cap. This is just extremely cheap, and they're getting ready to do put out updates. We really like that the results were strong. Built a nice base here. We got the big volume coming up here. We think that GRST has more room to run, and you can go and check out what we've said about GRST. Just go into the magnifying glass, type in the symbol, and you can see what we've had to say about GRST. Next up is GMVD. This is one that I've been talking about on the channel and for our subscribers. Got this nice big run to start 2022. Ran up to 674, corrected. Guys, as I talk about buying dips, selling rips, and I'm a big fan of finviz.com. Look at this trend line. This was the key trend line that we got here before it ran to 674, and that trend line held. So we came and we dipped last week right to the trend line support, and we got a nice move here. So it dipped all the way down to $1.77. We're at $2.75, so you got $1 off of that trend line support. So again, buy dips, sell rips. As I've talked about, guys, it's all about P&L. That's all that matters. Don't get into diamond hands, paper hands BS. Just get into, I'm in the business of making bank. Find stocks that you're comfortable with, that you like, trade around them, hold some core positions, but always be booking profits along the way. You'll find you will sleep much better at night. Next up is MDMP, dipped down to 10 cents on Thursday, and we're at just under 18 cents right now. Again, buy dips, sell rips. I've been talking about this one on the channel. They've been putting out a lot of updates at MDM Permian. They're drilling for oil in the Permian Basin. Their latest update, Brown Number Well, his first show of oil on frac fluid recovery, estimated at about 5%. Great start, which it is. Last week they said the Brown well has recovered approximately 2,000 to 3,000 barrels of frac fluid. The pump is pulling an average of 50 barrels per day. We're seeing gas to the surface. These are all great news. And why, again, as I said, oil and gas plays are one sector you want to be focused on. With the Russian-Ukrainian conflict, oil, cyber plays, and then crypto got a nice bounce today as Russians are trying to convert their rubles to Bitcoin. So it's showing the advantage of being in Bitcoin is that when unforeseen things happen, with currencies getting devalued, Bitcoin is a safe haven flight. Next up is SEGI. Nice bounce here. Had dipped on Thursday down to 0.008. We've doubled in 3 days. Really like the price action SEGI, and they've been telegraphing all this. They're getting ready to do the big fight between Thor versus Eddie. So it's going to be live streamed. You can watch on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, iOS, Samsung TV, LG. So updates coming. We looking forward to more updates. The fight is on March 19th. You're going to get a lot of press, and definitely this is one you want to be paying attention to, SEGI. Last up, guys, is AXIM. This one is a QB put out news on their new milestones in preparation of dry eye disease diagnostic launch. Not been putting out a lot of news, but this one has built a nice base here at the bottom of 13 cents in last month. We're at 27 cents now. So it's a double. This one was as high as $1.20 last summer. So this is one you want to pay attention to. It's a QB biotech, making big moves, doing all the right things. And they're building a real business. So they have real technology, and biotech plays can really get running in a heartbeat, which is why, you want to make sure you're a subscriber for the alert tomorrow before the bell at signup.insiderfinancial.com. We think this one is prime for a major move. That's why, make sure you are a subscriber with your email and your mobile number. Text messaging is the fastest way to get our alerts. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a great and profitable Tuesday, and I'll be coming live to you after the bell tomorrow with a new video. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.